Motorola is going big on cultural preservation with the announcement of its new Indigenous Collections app. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. This mobile app was created in conjunction with members of the Rainy Lake Ojibwe community as a means of chronicling and preserving the Ojibwe language, as well as their stories, landmarks, and family knowledge. Ojibwe language instructor Jason Jones and Dr. Anton Treuer, an author and professor at Ojibwe at Bemidji State University in Minnesota, were two of the primary collaborators for the app. The app is available for free through the Google Play Store, and since it's available for anyone to download, only publicly shared cultural knowledge will be distributed by the Indigenous Collections app. Dr. Treuer said the app's focus on preserving and sharing Ojibwe stories is particularly valuable. Storytelling remains one of the most effective ways to transmit language, cultural knowledge, worldview, and community history. The current collection already represents a meaningful archive, and the planned addition of further stories will increase the long-term significance of the project. The effort is part of the broader Indigenous Languages Initiative undertaken by Motorola in partnership with the Lenovo Foundation. The two parties have collaborated with indigenous communities to digitize and preserve their languages, while applying those languages to make modern smartphone tech more broadly available to indigenous speakers at the same time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.